welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having a great day. Do not forget we do have our Luxury Divas giveaway going on, so if you have not checked out that video, that link will be down below. And if you are new, welcome. I do hope you would consider hitting that subscribe button. And let's get into today's unboxing. So as you can see from down below, it is the May 2019 Rebecca mail. I did this box last month for the first time. And it is a stationery subscription. It is so cute, you guys. So this is the Rebecca mail box, and this is $20 a month. And there is also like a mini, and it is $12.50. The difference is this box comes with cards and pins and fun things, and then the mini comes with just the cards. So that's just the difference. It's so fun. This is sent to me free for review, so thank you, Rebecca. I do appreciate it. This is a great box to open, and let's dive in and see what we have for May. I will put a link down below if you're interested in signing up. And I think this box is so cute. I saw this last month. It says, "Life is tough. Get fun mail." I don't know about you guys, but I love getting fun mail, happy mail, all of that. So I just enjoy it. All right, so we open it. This is what we see. I'm going to take the card out first. And this says, the May 2019 Rebecca mail theme is laughter and shenanigans. I love that. Welcome, May. It is the month where we finally get to see blooms from all those April showers, and it also seemed like a great time to stock up on cards for the closest friends in our lives. You will know just which friend each of these Rebecca mail exclusive cards need to be sent to the second you read them. Also in your box are not going to say that because I'm not going to give it away. Fun retro trade. Okay, then it says enjoy Rebecca. So I didn't want to read the rest of it because that'll kind of give everything away, and I like to go through it. So let's dive in. So once we move the card, this is what we see here. All of this goodness. So this first thing on top, this is a magnet. Okay, this is cute because it's on like a fridge. The card looks like a fridge. Never quit when life shuts a door. Open it again. It's a door. That's how they work. So that's true. They always say when one door closes, another one opens, or you could just reopen that same door, or not. You may not. You may not want to. But I think this is so cute. All right, and then we have. This is cute. So this is a little notepad. I love the marble and then like the rose gold. It says Imagine, but you can see here. Let's say you can see. It's lined paper. So that is great. I love writing things down. And then, ooh, get my fancy. So we have this beautiful rose gold pin. It's like, it almost looks like little crystal bead things in there. So sparkly and so fun, and you just twist it. Oh, I love that. I don't know why I'm getting so obsessed with pins lately. There is one more pin in here. This is the Pilot Razor .2. Okay, and this is like the gel type. I think it's like gel. I'm not sure. These are the type of pins my husband loves. So he can have this one. I'm keeping that pretty rose gold one. Ooh. Yum. We got a giant Smarties. Awesome. I love Smarties. They have been like one of my favorites since I was a kid. All right, so now we're getting to the cards. My card collection is amazing at this point, you guys. I think I have a card for every occasion, and I really need to get better about sending them out. All right, so each card does come in like this protective sleeve with an envelope, which I think is fantastic, so it's like ready to go. So this says, laughter and shenanigans are the main ingredients in our friendship. I want to see. Okay, so they are blank inside, so you can write whatever message you want to. So that is awesome. That is funny. And oh. Okay. True friends don't care if your house is clean. They care if you have wine. I can think of a couple people for this one. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. Happy birthday. Spoiler alert, all I got you was this card. So that is funny. You guys, these are funny. I'm starting to think we will never be old enough to know better. That's for my husband. Oh. We've been friends so long, I can't remember which one of us is the bad influence. That is fantastic. I love that. This one, I don't know, y'all. I love them. I love this one. I think they're all amazing. And I love the color, like the variety of color. That's awesome. So we got these 5 awesome cards with the envelopes. We got the really pretty Imagine notepad. This super cute magnet is about to go right onto my fridge. We got this pin here and this gorgeous rose gold pin. And then some Smarties. I love these so much. I'm gonna have to hide those from Christopher. Is that bad? Is that like a bad mom thing to hide a snack from my son? I don't know. All right, so I'm gonna read what the card actually said now. All right, so it says, you will know just which friend each of these Rebecca Mail exclusive cards needs to be sent to the second you read them. Also in your box are a beautiful rose gold desk pin, a pretty memo pad, a sassy exclusive magnet, also designed just for you, and a fun retro treat. And if that's not enough, let us introduce you to the new pin of the month, the Pilot Razor Point 2. So that's what I didn't want to read because I didn't want to give anything away, but I think the subscription is awesome, you guys. It's so much fun because you get cards that are unique. You're not going to go to the store and find these cards, and they're hilarious. You know, we got the notepad, the magnet is super cute, 2 pins, like a his and hers almost in my case anyway, which is great. And then the Smarties. So it's like just a great stationery subscription. Like I said, this one is $20 a month, and you can also get just like the mini, which has the cards only, so that's great. That's $12.50. Like I said, I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. So let me know what you guys thought. Did you think this was cute? What was your favorite thing? I don't know. I mean, the cards are great. I do really like this magnet. Like I said, I've got this thing with pins lately, and I don't know why, but this pin is gorgeous. I really like this pin. I guess I'm getting older when it's the small things like that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, let me know what was your favorite, which card was your favorite, and I hope you all have a fantastic day. Again, don't forget we do have that Luxury Divas giveaway going on, so make sure you check that out. That link will be below as well. Again, have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys with the next video. Bye.